Hey y'all, welcome back to another tutorial. Savvy, this is Arrangements is in the building. All right, so we are starting off with our strawberries, our toothpicks, our food coloring, pretty much candy color. You can use the Chef Masters, which is the blue one right here, or if not, you can use the Candy Mill. Color Mill, I'm sorry. This is the chocolate I will be using. This is from Safeway. Or you can also purchase this one, which is Candy Quick, and you can find that at your local Walmart. Now, this one right here, you have individual cubes where you can take them out and melt as many as you need for whatever it is that you're using. I used 5 because I was only dipping 12 strawberries. So I am taking my toothpicks and I am placing them into my strawberries. And I am just going to be doing this for a few seconds. So today we're going to be making blue marble chocolate covered strawberries. Now I got a request from someone that wanted chocolate covered strawberries. They wanted them white and blue. They gave me an inspirational picture, but I was just like, that's not what we're going to do. So I just was like, okay, well, I'm just going to do something different. It's still the same color scheme that they're looking for, and it would match the toppers to their cupcakes. So I am just drying my strawberries off because I took them out of the freezer after I washed them just to, kind of get them nice and cold. So once I dip them in the chocolate, it sets up automatically. Like if you are ever dipping chocolate covered strawberries, place your strawberries in the freezer for a good 10 minutes and then you can go ahead, take them out and start dipping. That way your chocolate sets up immediately, like less than 2 seconds. Okay, so here's what the chocolate looks like once I put the candy color from Chef Masters in there. And this is how we're going to be dipping our strawberries. So I angled my bowl to the side because I didn't have a lot of chocolate in there to just go ahead and dip it, and I couldn't find anything really small enough to just go ahead and dip the strawberry in and then pick it up and take it out. So I zoomed in for you guys so you can see. So I'm just angling my bowl to the side so that way, I'm still able to go ahead and get that marble effect. Okay, honey? Yes. So I am just picking up the leaves from the strawberry so I can hold it so I can dip the whole entire strawberry. And I'm just going to go ahead and drag off that excess chocolate. And we're just going to proceed to the next strawberry. And that's pretty much it. So you guys did ask for a more in-depth video. But because I pretty much showed you how to do it, and it's really simple, I figured that this strawberry was so bomb. This was my favorite strawberry. Okay, that was my favorite strawberry. That was the one that came out the best out of all of them. I had 2 other good ones, but not like that one. But yes, so because I pretty much show you guys what I'm doing, I figured that it's really not much to the voiceovers, but I do them just in case some people don't understand or can't comprehend. So I just make sure I get the voiceovers out there for you guys. So pretty much I'm just going to go ahead and grab the leaves from the strawberries and I'm going to dip my strawberry into the chocolate. This was the second one that came out pretty good. I liked it. And I'm just going to keep doing the same thing over and over again. So if there's anything that you guys would like to see, if you guys would like to have some type of information on, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask, send me an inbox or anything like that. My Instagram and everything will be below in the description box. If you're not following me, go ahead and hit that follow button. But if there's anything else that you guys would like to see or something that I haven't done yet, please feel free to leave it in the comments below so I can get that video out there for you guys. So here is my favorite strawberry that I was telling you about. This came out so perfect, okay? It came out so perfect. But I'm just, showing you what it looks like. And I am going to pack my strawberries, and I will show you how I pack my strawberries for either delivery or pickup. So let's get into the pricing of these strawberries. Something like this would normally run about $40 a dozen. If you need help with pricing, please leave it in the comments below. If you're treat makers, cake makers, bakers, whatever you want to call yourself, chefs, whatever it is that you want to call yourself. If you have trouble with pricing your items, please leave it in the comments below, and I can try to do a video, or I can try to do a one-on-one consultation with you guys. So that way, you can be making that bag, baby, making that bag. So I'm just taking my strawberries and I'm going to be placing them into this 12-count cupcake container. And I just like to transport and have my customers pick up with these because they're easy. They're not touching each other, especially due now to COVID. They're about maybe 1 inch apart from each other, so nobody's hand is touching another person's strawberry. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one.